Itel Vision 1 is a budget smartphone. It has 1.6 GHz octa-core processor, and the device got an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with a size of 6.08 inches and resolution of 720x 1600 pixels, which means the Itel got a big screen display for the users to enjoy it. The smartphone has got 2 GB of RAM capacity, which is more than enough to run all applications. This Itel one comes with 32 GB of internal storage. It is enough memory to store your data. And also it has a micro SD card that supports up to 128 GB. The Itel Vision 1 comes with a dual rear camera setup. The main camera is 8 megapixels and the other one is a 0.08 megapixels camera. There is a dual LED flashlight in the back of this handset. The new upcoming Itel Vision 1 has got 5 megapixels front selfie camera to store your memories in this smartphone. The device has got a face unlock and fingerprint for security reasons to give protection to the data. The battery of this Vision 1 is 4000 mAh,